Wow. What is it, Dad?
Oh boy. New
It's a
book?
book.
Book. Oh boy. Wow, Miss Abby. Book? You love books, huh?
What do you got, Dad? Is that a new book? Wow. Cool. This one's hard. Look at his tail swags. It's hard. We gotta break it in.
Oh, that won't be a problem.
Look on to the next page. Okay. The piggy's tail moves. There we go.
Abby, what you got, Ab? You got bows?